Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In this video, we're looking at question number 12 from our Fermat paper. In the diagram, the parabola has x-intercepts -1 and 4, and a y-intercept of 8. If the parabola passes through the point 3w, what is the value of w? So they tell us the zeros or the x-intercepts or the roots, and this gives us a really nice way to start looking at an equation for this parabola. And if you've got the roots, you can write it as what I learned is factored form. Okay, so if -1 is one of the roots, x plus 1 will be a factor of this equation, so that will be 0 when x is 0. And our other root was 4, so we put in a factor of x minus 4. But we don't know what this a is. This a stretches or scales the parabola, and that's where their other piece of information comes in. They're telling me the y-intercept. So if the x values are 0, I know y will end up being 8. We'll be able to solve for a. In fact, why don't we do that now? So 8 is a, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 4. So that'll be a times 1 times -4, so -4a. So we can see that a has to be -2. And this makes sense. The a value, this constant you multiply outside, it's negative. If it's negative, your parabola will face down. If it's positive, it'll face up. And if we go back and look at their picture, they do have a downward-facing parabola. So it makes me think I did the math right. But now I've got an equation for this parabola. Okay, so what are they asking for? Well, they tell me the x-coordinate is 3, and they just want w, the y-coordinate. That's it. So, okay. -2, 3 plus 1, 3 minus 4. So that'll be -2 times 4 times -1. So the -2 and the -1 will cancel out and just be 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So our w value is going to equal 8. Now, you'll notice there already was an 8 in the question. Would there have been an easy way for me to see this? Well, yeah, if I'd stopped and said, well, where is 3? 3 is distance 1 away from 4. And 0, which gives me the y-intercept, is 1 away from the other root. And so there's actually this sort of nice symmetry. The parabolas are symmetric on the axis that runs through the vertex. And if you realize we've got this symmetry, you probably could have jumped to 8 right away. Now, I've actually never encountered that happen as a shortcut on a test before, which is why I didn't look for that. But that would have been a nice way to spot our answer of E really quickly. Okay, so we bubble in E no matter how we found it. And we move right along to question number 13. We'll handle that, of course, in the next video. Take care.